Hello everyone. What's up? Hello everyone. Hi. Hi. Namaskar. Welcome to my first ever YouTube video. There's one thing that my 21 years of existence has taught me is that there's nothing more noble than creating an unboxing video. I know you agree with me. And you know me, I'm a sucker for good deeds. So here we go. So today we're going to be unboxing Arata's natural curl defining hairstyling products. I got a combo which has the hair mask and hair gel. I saw its advertisement on Instagram and I was just wowed by the before and after results. I hope that they weren't fake. I so hope, because my hair, as some of you might know, is so any good hair products, and I'm totally up to trying it at least. So here's the packaging. Nothing too fancy. Nice, neat, it's sustainable, not too many elements. I can't say I'm one of those people who just don't care about the packaging or the aesthetic appeal of an item, but it's surely not the deciding factor when choosing a product. So here we have it. Nice. They have their products in a cloth bag, which is really cool. We can always use these bags for other purposes. Nice. So I have the hair cream. Isn't this how you're supposed to do it? I guess. And the hairstyling gel. Okay, so from what I remember, you're supposed to use the hair cream first and then the hair gel. Now let's read the directions for the hair cream. Work in a generous amount into dry hair and sculpt using your fingers or a comb. For a slick look, apply onto damp hair. Well, I want a slick look. Damn. And well, the directions for the hair gel are work in a generous amount, more or less the same. Work in a generous amount onto dry or damp hair and style with fingers, comb or brush for a medium to strong hold wet look. Use a smaller amount for a dry, light and high volume look. I'm excited. First of all, I'm more excited for the fact that I'm shooting this video. So excited. Like, who doesn't want to be a YouTuber? I most definitely do. Okay, so opening it up. First, let me just take off my towel. Yeah, so my hair is damp. I think, yeah, this is the amount of level of dampness that this product needs, I hope. So it has one of these thingies. Okay. How much are you supposed to use? Work in a generous amount. What's generous amount? Think this is just trial and error. Will this be enough? I think for my short hair, I hope. I don't know why, but I'm scared. Here goes nothing. Okay, obviously this is not enough. I feel like this is not enough, and yeah, it's not enough. I need to apply more. So generous doesn't mean this much. I think it means this much. Since it's all natural, you can use it every day. I had asked them this query on their Instagram and they had replied me with this answer. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply as much as I want to, as much as feels right. It's beautiful out here. I'm at my native place. There's mango trees around me, as you can see. As far as my eye goes, there's just mango trees and mango trees and mango trees. All Alfonso mango trees. Summers are like the best time to visit here because you have cashews and you have jackfruit and mangoes, obviously. It's still a little too early. The mangoes aren't ripe yet, but maybe a month and I'll be welcomed by the aroma of ripe mangoes. Oh my god, it's the best feeling ever. My hair has never been luscious. Ooh, I like that word. But yeah, my hair has never really been strong or just shiny, silky. Everybody wants these properties in their hair. I've never had it, so I've always opted for using an hair iron. With this product, I hope I no longer have to say goodbye to my natural curls and they'll hopefully turn out to look pretty, manageable. I have a sir who completely judges me for my hair. He's always like, what the hell is this hair? What, you're trying to pull off some wild look or something? And I'm just thinking in my head like, no sir, my hair is this way. It's curly. It's a bit frizzy. Bit being an understatement. It's very frizzy. Suck it, sir. It's okay. No disrespect to teachers around the world. It's just that one particular person I don't like at all. Enough of my rant. So I have applied all of the hair cream. Moving on to the hair gel. Okay. So I have to use something sharp to open it up. Yeah, okay. So it's a clear gel. I am now going to apply this all over my hair. Once again, this is just trial and error for me. So I guess with multiple uses, I'll get a hang of how much product is actually required. This video is not about perfection. This video is for all my friends who trusted me to make a YouTube video worthy of at least 200 views. Should I apply more? I'm not sure. I think this is enough. So what are you supposed to do next? I have no idea. Maybe I'll just... I don't know what to do. Oh my god, I did not think this through. What, I'm just supposed to leave it like this? This doesn't look curly, obviously. Do I need to style it? I have no idea. I have two rubber bands here. Maybe I'll just twist my hair like this, which will just help give my hair just this push to create better curls. I don't know. Here I am cheering my hair on. You can do it. Yeah, okay. Yes, the rubber bands are of two different color, two different type. But isn't this hairstyle so cool? The next Vogue fashion moment. 10-minute alert. Well, my hair is still wet, obviously, so it's gonna probably take me much longer to film the final result video. So why am I here? To check up on you beauties. Put your hand in mine. You know that I want to be with you all the time. You know that I won't stop until I make you mine. You know that I won't stop until I make you mine. Until I make you mine. I don't wanna lose you now. I'm looking right at the other half of me. The way you can see the sign in my heart is a space that now you own. If the world was ending, you come over right. The sky be falling and I'll hold you tight. There wouldn't be a reason why we would even have to say goodbye. So I saw the promotional video of Arata again, and this is what the model there does to her hair. My hair is semi-dry already, but I'm still gonna do this for like a few more minutes, 5 minutes maybe, till my hair completely dries up, or till my hands become too sore to continue. But I'm gonna do this for some time. Fingers crossed for awesome, hot, sexy, sweet, yummy results. This is the final result. My hair feels crunchy. Not really a positive adjective, is it? But that could be because I used the hair cream a little too much than required. I do think that I need to use it a few more times before actually getting a good hang of it. But I'm not complaining. I don't really know the golden standard for these products anyways. So maybe this is how your hair is supposed to turn out. It's good, it's fine. I am gonna use the products. I don't want to waste anything. I'm not that rich. So I'm gonna use every last drop of it. As long as my hair doesn't fall out, I guess. Better than not using anything. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Your support means the world to me. If and only if you found this video entertaining, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell in case I ever upload any other video apart from this.
Bing bing bam dum dum bam 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 bam. What's going on?